Longer days in a 5-Friday month mean we have lots of opportunities to inspire you this July. So how about creating a secret pillow from your quilt with the help of Valerie Nesbitt? And then, in our Technique Thursday, she shows you how to fold this quilt and turn it into its pillow alter ego. Great for use in the car and your living rooms alike. July also sees a new tutor joining the Justhands-on.tv team. Czaja is a crochet expert and tutor, and in an interview with Valerie, we learn about her background, inspirations, and how passionate she is about her crochet. Then later in the month, Jane shares with us this huggy triangle cushion, which is super for all age groups. If you're looking for a new type of project to inspire your creative side, then you might like to try Lorna Bateman's pin weaving workshop. Mary Gamester also does a little bit of weaving, but using paper to transfer her designs onto fabric. And Jennie Rayment takes us on a journey with flying geese, the 3D version, and with just one seam to sew. Jennie also shares with us how to use the clamshell patchwork design effectively on these beautiful cushions. And Paula Doyle brings us a brand new workshop using stained glass as inspiration, but without using any bias tape. Valerie introduces us to this new modern log cabin design, which can be made with pre-cuts or scraps, what else, and also shares some handy tips on how to create this really useful and easy to make Humbug Bag, a must-have storage solution for small items. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.